Hello students. Today is 2nd October and it is the birth anniversary of our beloved Bapuji. That means Mahatma Gandhi ji. We call Gandhi ji as the father of our nation. म्हणजेच त्यांना आपण पितामह या नावाने पण संबोधतो. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869 in the city of Porbandar in Gujarat. Mahatma Gandhi's father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and mother's name was Putlibai. Gandhiji was completed his primary level and higher secondary level education in Ahmedabad. Gandhiji was married with a lady. Her name is Kasturba Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi's full name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Students, गांधीजी हे लहानपणापासूनच शांत स्वभावाचे आणि अभ्यासू वृत्तीचे होते. He believed that education is the basic necessity of everybody. He felt that education is the only medium that could build a strong nation. Gandhiji studies law from the University of London to become a barrister. After finishing his studies, he practiced as a lawyer for few years in South Africa, but they returned to India. Gandhiji launched movements like non-cooperation, civil disobedience against the British. Gandhiji considered Gopal Krishna Gokhale as his political mentor. Gandhiji gave famous slogans like Do or Die and British Leave India म्हणजेच करो या मरो and British भारत छोडो. The name Mahatma was given to Gandhiji by Rabindranath Tagore. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of the world. Other leaders win wars by hurting others and killing them. Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms and weapons like guns, rifles, or bombs. And yet he won the war of India's independence. Gandhiji was a man of iron will. Means if he decided to do something, he did it, no matter how difficult it was. One day he decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. From that day onwards, he never missed the prayer. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity, and non-violence. That is, not hurting others. Gandhiji's dress was very simple. As you seen student on the screen, he wear just a loincloth, a dhoti above the knee, and sometimes a shawl. Means, could he not afford fancy, fashionable clothes? Of course he could, but this simple loincloth was deliberate choice. How did he come to make this choice? Students, जसे तुम्हाला स्क्रीनवर दिसते बापूजी म्हणजे महात्मा गांधी आणि ते जे चालवतात यंत्र ते चरखा आहे, त्याला चरखा म्हणतात. त्याच्यावर कपडे विणले जातात. गांधीजी स्वतःचे कपडे स्वतः विणायचे. ते जास्त करून स्वदेशी माल म्हणजे आपल्या भारतातलं जे तयार होतात तेच कपडे घालण्यासाठी प्राधान्य देत होते. बऱ्याचदा बघा बापूजी म्हणजे गांधीजींचा फोटो आणि चरखा अशा दोन्ही एकत्र फोटो इमेजेस तुम्हाला बघायला मिळतील. मिलियन्स ऑफ पुअर पीपल्स इन इंडिया फेल्ट हॅपी दॅट महात्मा गांधी ड्रेस्ड लाईक देम. ऑल्दो महात्मा गांधी did not use any destructive weapons, he had millions of staunch followers. याच काळात गांधीजींनी आपला देश स्वतंत्र होण्यासाठी वेगवेगळ्या मार्गांचा अवलंब केला. त्याच्यामध्ये अहिंसा मार्ग असेल, असहयोग आंदोलन असेल, स्वदेशी कपडा मीन्स खादी आंदोलन असो किंवा दांडी यात्रा म्हणजे मिठाचा सत्याग्रह असो, अशा अनेक चळवळीमधून त्यांनी अहिंसेचा मार्ग वापरत आपला सहभाग किंवा आपली देशभक्ती दाखवून दिली. याच काळात त्यांना बऱ्याचदा तुरुंगातही जावे लागले, पण गांधीजींनी अहिंसेचा मार्ग सोडला नाही आणि आपला देश स्वतंत्र होण्यासाठी त्यांनी योगदान देत राहिले. अशा या चळवळींमध्ये महात्मा गांधीजींना आपल्या देशातील स्वातंत्र्यवीरांनी वेगवेगळ्या पद्धतीने योगदान दिले. This was one of the many residents of Mahatma Gandhi who lived at Sabarmati Ashram in Gujarat and Sevagram Ashram in Wardha, Maharashtra. When he was not traveling across India or in prison, he lived in Sabarmati or Wardha for a total of 12 years with his wife Kasturba Gandhi. या आश्रमामध्ये अजूनही गांधीजींच्या काही वस्तू जपून ठेवलेल्या आहेत. तसेच अजूनही या आश्रमामध्ये भगवद्गीतेचं डेली पठण होत असतं. साबरमती आश्रम आणि गांधीजी यांच्यावरून मला 4 ओळी आठवतात. त्या म्हणजे दे दी हमें आजाद बिना खड्ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, रघुपति राघव राजा राम, रघुपति राघव राजा राम. Mahatma Gandhiji is remembered for this greatness not only in India but in all parts of the world.